The world united in a wave of wellness and mindfulness as International Yoga Day 2025 was celebrated across 191 countries, with over 11 lakh locations in India alone hosting the grand Yoga Sangam events. PM Modi said, Yoga guides the world towards peace, with India advancing its science through research and emerging as a healing hub. India sets Guinness World Record with largest single location yoga gathering at Vizag. The Income Tax Department's sweeping investigation into the financial dealings of late Odisha Health Minister Nabakishore Das entered its third consecutive day, with raids continuing at over 20 locations across Odisha and beyond. A breach at Khaljuri Sluice Gate near Uluda Panchayat has unleashed Subarnarekha floodwaters through 3 damaged gates, alarming residents and threatening to flood 18 low-lying panchayats in Bhogarai block. The DGCA took strict action against Air India over serious crew scheduling lapses, ordering removal of 3 officials. The airline confirmed complaints and said the directive has been implemented. US President Donald Trump has reiterated his claim that he prevented a war between nuclear-armed neighbors India and Pakistan, expressing disappointment that his efforts have not earned him a Nobel Peace Prize. OMFED has announced a fresh hike in milk prices. Consumers will now pay ₹2 more per litre for all OMFED milk variants, while the price of premium half-litre packs has increased by ₹1. The diarrhea outbreak in Odisha's Jajpur district is showing signs of improvement, with health officials reporting a decline in severe cases and increased recovery rates. Heavy rain from a low-pressure system over Odisha and Jharkhand caused Subarnarekha River's first major flood, with Galoti Barrage releasing 2.42 lakh cusecs, inundating 40 villages in northern Baleswar. A non-Odia devotee was apprehended on Friday for allegedly attempting to take photographs inside the sacred premises of Sri Jagannath Temple, violating the long-standing ban on mobile phones and photography within the temple complex. Double Olympic medalist Neeraj Chopra delivered a commanding performance at the Paris Diamond League, claiming top spot with a powerful 88.16-meter throw on his first attempt at Stade Charity on Saturday.